Asking these simple questions could save your wedding day. Hey my beautiful brides, welcome back. I'm super excited to have you guys here for part 2 of our venue questionnaire videos. If you guys missed the first one, be sure to run to my channel and check it out because it's super important to get all of the basic questions out of the way. Today we're diving into one of the most crucial aspects of your wedding, food and beverages. The venue is not just a backdrop, it is the full experience. And what better way to enhance an experience than food and drinks? So let's dive into all the questions that you have to ask your venue to ensure a seamless experience with your food and beverages. Okay, number 1, catering options. This might seem kind of obvious considering this is a food and beverage video, but we're going over it anyways because it's a question that cannot be forgotten. Do they offer in-house catering or have recommended caterers that must be used, or can you bring in a caterer of your own choice? And the big question here is you have to ask, can you bring in an outside caterer that is not on their list and obviously is not their in-house caterer? Number 2, baby. Kitchen access. If you choose an external caterer, if they allow it, will they have access to a kitchen? This is an essential detail to make sure that everything runs smoothly on your wedding day. Number 3, food and beverage minimum. Now let's talk numbers. Is there a food and beverage minimum that you have to meet? Knowing this in advance could really help you plan your budget efficiently. Number 4, pricing details. What is the tax and service charge? Understanding these charges is crucial for staying in your budget. Now let's move on to something a little more exciting. Number 5, the food tasting. Can you sample your dishes before having a finalized menu? And is there any additional costs for the food tasting experience? Trust me, you're going to want this experience. This is by far one of my favorite things to do with my couples. Quick note, don't forget to check to make sure that they can handle any dietary restrictions. Not every chef is able to do this, so it's really important to make sure that whoever is there can handle any peanut allergies, dairy, any vegans, you just gotta make sure that everybody's covered because everybody's gonna wanna eat. I promise. Number 6, rental details. Our tables, linens, chairs, silverware, plates, glasses, you want to make sure all of these things are provided, especially if you're having an outside caterer come in, because they will have to provide it if not. Number 7, cake considerations. It's cake time, people! Can you bring a cake from an outside baker, or do you have to use the one that's on site at their place? And $1 million question, is cake cutting included? And a side note for the cake cutting, if the fee is included and you're really trying to save money, I don't really recommend this, but it is a way to cut costs if you absolutely have to. Sometimes you can ask the venue if it's okay if you can have a family member or a friend willing to cut the cake and plate it for you. They'll sometimes waive the fee if that's the case. It's worth a shot, right? I mean, if you're trying to save money, you're trying to save money. But I will put it out there, I have never actually done this because if it ever happened that somebody had to cut the cake, sure as heck that I was the one that was doing it. Nobody else was touching that cake but me and my couple. Okay, last but not least, alcohol services. Are they licensed to provide an alcohol service? This is crucial to make sure that everything is above the legal line. Speaking of alcohol, how is it priced, and is there a bar minimum? Are there any additional charges for bar staff? Okay, and there you have it. I hope these questions help you to navigate the logistics of your venue. But keep in mind, this is a 5-part video and this is only number 2 of the series, so be sure to run over to my channel and check out the rest of them. If you found this helpful, don't forget, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and whatever, and share any of your thoughts in the comments. I see them every day and I'm excited to get to hopefully chat with you. Okay, bye!